came down, they tried to secure the soccer, and no one went to soccer, and now we're giving away one foot into the United States. And what is to happen?
This is the senator representing Kogi Central, trekking down to the assembly complex in order to she wants to enforce the rule, the court order that she should resume today from the National Assembly complex, happening live.
I know. How you doing?